Today in court on Friday, we had opening statements by both the defense and the prosecution. And following that was testimony. The first witness was Priscilla Matarazzo, and that's Rachel's mom. And basically, among many things, what she said was sort of testimony that was talking about the relationship between Neil and Rachel, how he was a loving father, how they had a good relationship. She also talked about how Neil had a key to their Carver home and knew where the spare key was. This is relevant because Neil had told police that he didn't know how to get into the home, which he had gone to allegedly after finding Rachel and Lillian's bodies in Hopkinton. He went to the Carver home of her parents and couldn't get in. They weren't home. Also, there were a few people that testified. They were co-workers of Priscilla's, and basically what they talked about was how Neil and Rachel had both been to Priscilla's workplace at a medical facility in Braintree. And what they were trying to show there, according to our reporter in the newsroom, Norman Miller, was that he knew how to reach her. He claimed that he couldn't reach Priscilla when in fact, according to these witnesses, he had been to the workplace in the past. Also, we heard from Lloyd Cook, who is Rachel's uncle, and what he talked about was his experience with Joe and Neil shooting, and he talked about Neil's proficiency with the guns that they were working with. Lloyd will also be cross-examined by the defense on Monday, so that's what we can expect at the start of the day on Monday in court. There will be other testimony, but we are not privy to who will be testifying, what witnesses will be called, in what order. So we'll have to wait until Monday to find out who will also be on the witness stand.